Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your CapCut PC is not exporting videos, so there's like an error. So what you can do, it's super simple. Just press cancel first when you're in that export button. So here, oh, I'm still using, okay, back to edit. Oh, okay, hold on. So for instance here, if I press export and I pressed the export, it'll be like error. But what you can do is you can go to menu, go to the settings tab, then go to performance, and you're going to untick speed up hardware encoding. And you're going to press save, and hopefully after that you'll be able to export your videos without having any trouble. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.